Only after reaching the YouTube condition of 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers you can apply for monetization review. Simple to apply for review. Go to channel setting, accoroding to the video. Then go to channel, in the left, and then you will find monetization. Just click enable. Then they will ask for what types of ads you want to add on your channel. Enable all types. Then click next. Here you done. Now very soon YouTube will send an email for monetization confirmation. Thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel. Happy YouTubing.